Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how those clever robots zip around, following a line effortlessly? Well, today you are about to find out because we are diving deep into the fascinating world of robotics to build our very own line follower robot. This is just a quick overview where we'll cover everything from the components you need to the code to making it move. So grab your tools, get ready to code, and let's build some awesome tech. I have used this beginner robot kit from Robo India. Now let's look at the components used to make the robot. The first one is Arduino Uno. You can use any version of Arduino Uno. However, here I have used Arduino Uno R3. The second one is a screwdriver, followed by the breadboard. Then the BO motor L type. The next is a metal caster wheel, 6 double A battery holder, rubber wheels, 2 motor shield, digital IR sensors, and jumper wires. After that, we have the screw sets. Here we have 4 screw sets: Arduino screw set, motor screw set, caster screw set, and battery plate screw set. You can observe that all these components are present inside the box itself. For the full tutorial, you can check the YouTube channel of Robo India. For testing the robot, you need to ensure certain things. First, you need to ensure that when the IR sensor is placed on the white strip, it should glow, while when it is placed on the black strip, it shouldn't glow. That was all about this video. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.